What's up, everyone? I'm going to be opening another box of Blizzard Legacy Collection today. I got a few cases of these up for sale on my shop. This one's a little beat up, so quality control, might as well open it for myself. It was fun to open last time, so let's see what we get. Maybe another Molten Core parallel or something, but let's check it out. Alright, so if you didn't watch the first one, this is the Blizzard Legacy Collection. It's a collection of all the Blizzard games, and they're trading cards by Upper Deck. There is seven packs, not 4, and they each have 8 cards in them each. So let's start ripping. Blood Mage, or Kel'Thas, Sigma from Overwatch, Orphea from Heroes of the Storm, and here is the Horde parallel, Illidan, Ariel from Diablo, Rexxar from Warcraft, Orgrim, Doomhammer, Warcraft, and Earl from Diablo. So all the cards are normally silver, and then you can get these parallels, Horde or Alliance, so Horde for red. It's pretty cool. Hopefully we get something more special than that. Windrunner. What is this? Lunara. Martin Bronzebeard. That's pretty cool art. And our Horde parallel is Khadgar. And Myrden Wildhammer. The Probe from StarCraft. And Black Hand. Arts on all these cards are really cool. And Tychus. It's a lot of packs, a lot of cards, so I'm just trying to flow through it. Tyrande. Myrden, but it's a different one. It's the Heroes of the Storm Myrden. Bridget. Rexxar, but the Hearthstone Rexxar. And the Horde parallel, Mal'Ganis. It's a pretty cool one. Oh, Valerian from StarCraft. I thought it was Varian for a second. Tyrande again. And Chen. All Horde parallels so far. Raynor. A Murky. Our favorite Murloc. Tyrael. Here we go. We got something different. We got the Horadric Cube from Diablo, and it is Imperius. Here's this side. Now this folds into like a little cube with him, and there's all the Diablo characters basically, where that have these. So you can see this is Horadric Cube 22. And the Horde parallel is Dark Wanderer from Diablo. It's a little Diablo pack. Dentarg. I don't even know who that is. From Warcraft. And Diablo. And Illidan. Even just like the non-parallel cards, they're pretty rad. Medivh. Brightwing, Deathwing, non-dragon form, Horde Parallel, Kira from Heroes of the Storm, Gul'dan, Baneling from StarCraft, and Malfurion. 2 more packs. Gotta be something big. Maeve, Reaper, Sylvanas, that's a pretty dope art. Horde Parallels Ner'zhul. Hydralisk from StarCraft. Alexi from StarCraft. That's pretty rad. Khadgar. And Kel'Thuzad. Looks like they could be fighting each other. Alright. Last pack. Come on. Molten Core Parallel. Trying to sneak peek. Old School Lost Vikings. Winston. May. And was it Garrosh? Oh, Horde Parallels again. Akama. Sarfang. Oh, that's pretty dope. Queen of Blades. And last, Artanis. Well, that was that pack. Not a lot different from the last one, but super fun to open. I've got a ton on my shop right now. You can follow and check the description if you want to check them out. I got them on my eBay and my website. I'll probably be opening more of these. They're really fun to open, but see you guys there.